know the thing, man. Don't know it's a Newlink there from Newlink Production. And people right about now, I couldn't see this thing and not talk about it because this young man who passed people is a young man that I know. You understand? And he's such a jovial and a good person, quiet person, humble youth. And I couldn't see it and just bypass it and down. You know what I mean? So I look respect to him, and you know what I mean, I like the people about how life can be sometimes. You know, you will be here today and you just gone tomorrow. Well, people, today I'm going to talk about this young man who goes by the name of Shane Perry, who passed away. You understand? You don't know, say, from Wednesday people, Wednesday gone, he was missing. You know what I mean? From Wednesday people are trying to reach him, family, him friends, everybody, co-workers, everybody are trying to reach him. They can't get him, people. So they do, on Friday, they make a report to the police in Trelawney because this man is currently from Trelawney in Jamaica, people. You understand? So they file a report to the police in Trelawney on Friday. And so there was a search on for him. A lot of people were sending out their love, their likes and everything all over Facebook, all over Instagram for this young man, people, hoping that they will find his safe return. But unfortunately, people, on Saturday, they get the worst news ever that will ever hit them, people. One of the saddest news ever to hit them, people. I'm telling you, my people, it's one of the terriblest news. And when the news hit them, my people, oh my, cause it is said now, people, on Saturday while they were searching, people, in bushes, they found the car that this young man recently purchased, people, in the bushes, crashed into a tree. When they got the people, oh my God, the smell that hit them, they have to run back. Because this young man's body was partially decomposed in a state there, people, and it's just sad to know. You understand? So basically, I don't know what the reason the police is still conducting their investigation. Because I don't know, them have to check and see the circumstances. Even though maybe, as you see, it is a crash. You understand? But they have to know the reason why, what happened. If somebody hit him off the road, the car off the road, if he ran off the road, he fell asleep, what happened, what really took place. But it's just sad, people, and I tell you, I know this young man, he was currently employed to the Royalton Resorts, and that's down there and in the west side, people, and it's just sad to know, you know what I mean, how people life. You will be here today and you just gone tomorrow, and right now, people, oh my, his Facebook page is flooding out. Everyone is pouring out their love, their condolences and everything, you know what I mean? Everyone is, it's just sad, people. Honestly, I feel it to my heart, you know? I feel it to my heart, people, because it can be weird. Every day you're on the road, you're being a motorist, you're driving, and you just don't know what can happen, you know? And that's why, you know, people, that's what I said, every day that it takes you in life, cherish this you got. You know what I mean? Because, as I say, you can be here today and you're gone tomorrow. Protect yourself, love yourself, take care of yourself. You know what I mean? Don't suffer your body, don't starve your body. Plenty of people out there intended at times to like put all of the money in the bank and not take care of themselves. Them rather dead for hungry and left the money in the bank. Listen, your life is way more important than all the money we can think of. You know what I mean? Take care of yourself, people. You're there today, you're gone tomorrow. You never know. So from me, Newlink Production, man, and the whole Newlink team, I don't know the thing of people, don't know. We are saying, yo, our deepest condolences to the family and friends of Shane Perry, co-worker, everybody, the whole Royalton Resort family, the whole Sandals family, which he was a part of before, you know what I mean, making a step to the Royalton and things. So, you don't know, people, it's just sad. And as I said, people, may his soul rest in peace and hope he is in heaven. You know what I mean? Because you don't know the thing of people. This is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we say attack, and just want to send out blessings to each and every one of the subscribers them who are tuning into the thing all over the world, wherever you are. If you're there, Cayman Islands, be up on yourself, Bahamas, you don't know St. Kitts and Nevis, Antigua, Anguilla, Trinidad and Tobago, you don't know Belize, Grenada, you know what I mean, Montserrat and them place, the Curacao, the whole of Costa Rica, oh my, big up on yourself. I don't know the Spanish people, the whole of Gambia, big up Zimbabwe, big up South Africa. I don't know, the fans them, they all over, the fans them in China, big up on yourself, Newlink Sono, my Japanese fans them, big up on yourself, same way, Newlink Sono, check into the thing. I don't know, all over the world, Jamaica, special big up on the whole Turks and Caicos, England, USA, Canada. I don't know the thing, attack them Newlink, and we say that blessings, peace, I'm out. Shane Perry, rest in peace, my G.